widgets. So let me explain what list is. For that, let's head over to Dartpad, which is a website where you can write Dart codes. Let's open it. As can be seen, there is already a sample code here. I just want to quickly show you that whenever you create a new pad, it asks you to choose between Dart or Flutter. Yes, you can also write some Flutter code here, but for now, I am just going to go ahead and select Dart. So firstly, I will zoom in a bit so that you can see everything clearly. Now, I will need to delete this part, and remember that I have asked you to focus only on the things that I'm writing right now. This way, we should ignore the void main method for now. Okay, let's go ahead and declare a list and call it A. I'm gonna also add the square brackets. Here in square brackets, we can put the values separated by a comma. So, a list is simply a collection of similar data types stored in contiguous memory locations. Now you may ask, what is a contiguous memory location? Let's break it down. You can see that all the values which I have put here are integers, and they have their own specific position, like the value 1 is stored at 0 position. 32 has the first position, so basically the counting of the positions starts from 0. Now, let's say we want to print the 0th position. And let's run it. You will find that the console prints 1. So now let's print position number 2. If we count from the beginning, it's gonna be 0, 1, 2. The second position has 54. Let's go ahead and run it. And you will see that it has printed 54, just like we analyzed it a second ago. Of course, you can also put a string over here. Once you've put the values, you can press the run button and you will find that the respective result shows up. By default, the list is dynamic, and that means that the data type we're gonna put and specified. If we want to specify it as a string, we just need to write the data type, and in this case, string is in angle brackets. So, if we change this very value to integer, you see an error. Just like specifying a string that is a data type, we can also specify the list as widgets. Okay, let me give you an example. I'm gonna head over to our app now. Let me declare a list and specify it as a text widget. So obviously, it is going to accept only a list of text widgets. You can see that we can write the list widgets here. I can put, for example, 2 of them. I'm gonna give the names like -1 and -2 now. So let me remove the text -app part and return the 0th position of the list. Let's hit reload and you will see -1 pop up on the screen of the emulator. It's pretty easy, right? Notice that the column over here also accepts a list of widgets, and this container here is a widget. So I am gonna uncomment it, cut it, and paste it in brackets. I'm gonna hit reload now, and you can see that the container is placed within a column. Great, we can add a few more containers, so I'm gonna copy it and paste a few times just like this. I am going to change the colors of the containers so we can distinguish between them. I can choose the color named teal here. It wouldn't be a bad idea to change the next container to brown. The last one may be red. Now that we've chosen all the colors, we can hit on reload and the containers are placed in a column.